Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today I'm going to be giving you some fall decor ideas. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make those decorative table books. I got these books from Dollar Tree, and everything that I'm making the books with I got from Dollar Tree. So the paper, the books, and the stickers all came from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the covering off the book. And then I'm going to take the white wrapping paper and measure out the section that I need. I'm going to be using the cover to measure out the section. That's much easier than taking a ruler and measuring out. Also, the wrapping paper does have lines on it, so it's easy to measure and cut out what I need. So after cutting out the section that I need from the wrapping paper, I'm just going to take some double-sided tape and tape down the wrapping paper to the book. Next, I'm going to be taking the stickers from Dollar Tree. I got these from the Craft Owl, I believe. And I'm going to be spelling out pumpkin spice no latte, I believe that's what it is. Just something cute and decorative to put on the books. Next, I'm going to be taking some ribbon that I got from Joann's. They do have ribbon at Dollar Tree, but I didn't see anything I like. But I got this from Joann's, and it was 50% off. And then I'm going to be taking this ribbon and wrapping it around the stack of books. So this is how the books turned out. Now I'm just going to take the books and put them in my corner in my dining room. You've probably already seen this video. If not, I'll link it up above. But I'm just going to be decorating this corner in my dining room with the fall decor that I picked up from Dollar Tree. here's the final look of how the decor came out in the dining room. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this little fall corner. Okay, next I'm going to be decorate the bar area of my kitchen. Typically you would put this on your dining room table, but because of my kids I couldn't put it there, so I'm just going to show you how you can decorate your dining room table for fall. Everything I got primarily came from Dollar Tree with the exception of the placemats. Those came from Burlington, and the acorns and the pumpkins came from Joann's, but everything else came from Dollar Tree. And that is going to be all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And I will see you on the next video.